Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to share Amazon Kindle books. So if you also want to share Amazon Kindle books, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up an Amazon Kindle application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Amazon Kindle is opened. At top, you'll be able to see your library. All you have to do is select any book of your choice that you want to share. Press and hold on that book. Now here you'll be able to see this kind of pop-up. You can see several options over here. You can see options for book details, remove download, permanently delete, add to collection, etc. At second last, you'll be able to see the option for recommend this book. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to see various platforms via which you'll be able to share the books. You can see the platforms like email, Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, WhatsApp, LinkedIn. You can also see the option for more. Tap on any option of your choice. If you want the link, all you have to do is tap on the more option. Now a link will be generated. You can see your option for copy over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now go to any platform of your choice. Here I'm going to WhatsApp. Now send this link to your friends. Simply paste that link from your clipboard and then tap on the send option. Now when they click on this link, they'll be able to read the book. So that is how you share Amazon Kindle book. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.